What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Fishing with me, D-Yang. I'm heading out to Jefferson right now to go fish for some walleyes. I'm not a walleye expert, but I came here recently and I did pretty good. There was a lot of shorts, but you know, it was fun. Got a lot of good action, stuff like that. So hopefully today I can show you guys what I do, what I don't do, and what I should be doing. Like I said, it's obvious I'm not a walleye master at this stuff. Hopefully I catch some fish, you know. Hopefully I catch some fish, show you guys. I'll hurry up and stop talking because I don't want you guys to stare at my ugly face here. Pretty red pimple on my nose. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys out on the water. Fresh air, you guys. Fresh morning air. Beautiful out. It's calm. There's some ducks. I'm not alone. I don't know what park this is called. It's called State Park something, but it's a little skate park over there. It's pretty awesome. So, hopefully I catch some fish. Alright, you guys. So, here I am. I'm going to start with the swim bait, you guys, because last time I was catching them off with this guy right here. Just a jig head, white jig head with a Keitech swim bait here. And I was catching them so close to shore. Oh, somebody threw away a sheep head. How cruel. Let them live, you guys. This Power Pro Spectra, this yellow version one is pretty good. Thought it was going to be bad. Nice, cast pretty far. I'm using the Shimano Stradic, the CI4 is the new one, and then I'm using the Shimano Zodiac. This is the 6.8 medium light release, kind of like the lighter action birds kind of stuff. All right, fair enough. No swim bait bite. Ducks are so annoying. Shut up. Shut up. Got one. Nice. It's a walleye. There he goes. It's a little guy, but still. Ooh, you wanted the red fly, eh? I just switched over too. Sweet. There you go. Little guy. I don't want any of these. I need the bigger ones. Alright, chill. So skinny. Goodness. There you go. Nice, beautiful fish. See you, dude. Oh, so they want the red fly. Got you. This is what I caught off of, you guys. You guys can see it pretty well, but it's a red fly, orange head. A little flickish, shiny stuff. And then back. Maybe I was just using the wrong color this whole time. Got another one. Ooh, this one's bigger. Might be a keeper. Oh, nice, back to back. It's a keeper, alright. I know it's a keeper. Oh, nope, it's not. Maybe not. Nope. Bigger, but it's not a keeper. Well, he might be actually, yeah. He might just be. I'll go ahead and measure him. I'm gonna go ahead and go get it. He might be a keeper. I'll be right back, you guys. I'm back. Alright, calm down. Oh, he's short. 14 inches. There you go. See ya, dude. Good fight. that one. Nice one too. Might be a better one. Probably a little. Maybe. Yeah, it's a little guy. Oh, off of the ref. Might be have long fins, so 15 inches to keeper size. Mouth to the fin. Stop bending your tail. Nope, I'm gonna say he's a centimeter short. That's bittersweet, you guys. My goodness, that's crazy. There we go. Go, go, go. Nice. Bingo. Ooh, it's a white bass. Caught a white bass. Dude, I caught a white bass. Yeah, money. I got him. Sweet. That is cool. That is so cool. I was like, this guy's running a little too fast to be a walleye. There he goes. Walleye. Little guy. It'd be cool if it was another white bass. On the red fly, baby. Look at him run. Feisty little guy. He choked it too. Alright, stop spinning. There, he inhaled it. Let go. Open your mouth, buddy. Look at that, you guys. That's how you want them to eat it. Come right off. 19 inches. Oh, we got some nice. Oh, I was just gonna reel it in. It's a walleye too. I was just gonna reel it in. It's big one. Oh, nope, it's a little guy. Still fun though. Oh, this guy's short. Caught me a shorty. Such beautiful fish, man. It's bittersweet, you guys. Bittersweet. Catch and release. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna head out to the boat launch. Fishing this morning was good. It was okay. Got a good couple action there. But yeah, I'm gonna head out to the boat launch over there by the dam, and I might even try by the dam and by that point over there. So stay tuned. Well, you guys, probably do a couple more stops. Forget that I even went to the boat launch. It was horrible. So windy. Current was way too fast. My lure would not stay in place. Got about 3 more hours to kill, so I'm gonna go give it a shot right here by the right behind the dam here. See how it goes. I'm gonna eat a little snack, enjoy my Rebel. Some chips. Alright, guys, so I'm back where I started at the park. It was brutal at the dam and by the boat launch. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick around here for another 2 hours, and I'll swing you guys around with me. Show you guys what I do, what I use. This is the Shimano Stradic 2500, and this is the Avid X 7-foot medium power. This is fast action, okay? I thought it was my medium light on, but it's the medium, that's action. So it has enough backbone. This is the Power Pro Spectra Green. This is the 8-pound test. And these are my buddy sinkers, you guys. He makes these nice sinkers here. He has them for a good price for a pack. Hit him up. His name is Ming Tao. Find him on Facebook. I have his contact information down below. I'm using Pline 6-pound fluorocarbon. You can use any fluorocarbon if you want out there. Doesn't matter. I just use Pline because for the price. And today I've been catching them off of red and black. Okay, you guys, red and black. These are hand tied by me. You could definitely buy all the material and stuff like that from like Cabela's. Ranky's is where I go to here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. He's an awesome guy. Hit him up. I have his contact information down below too. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch more fish within 2-3 hours that I have left, and stick around. I'm not keeping any fish. The one I caught before, I gave to my buddy that was here. But I'm gonna throw this guy back in. I don't need him. It's only one. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I'm heading out. It was a fun day, you know. Just came out here to show you guys, you know, what I do, what I like to do, what I didn't do, stuff like that. That's walleye fishing here in Wisconsin, and it's a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, alright, you guys? It was cold, windy. No, it was the walleye weather that I expected, that I wanted to be. Like, I caught them, they just weren't big, and you know, big deal. It was fine. I had fun, you know. That's all that matters. Caught some white bass. That's a good sign. Plenty of sheepheads. You know, they're just fishing the system, you guys. This river has always been awesome. I'm gonna head home. And I'm gonna run some errands. So yeah, see you guys next time.